pro and we find work as an ethnomusicologist even though we don't really know what that is. We have no friends and we die alone.
Okay. None of that is happening right now, is it?
No.
Great. So why don't we take a seat in our special chair?
Yeah, that's a great idea.
See? Isn't that better?
Oh, yeah, that's the stuff.
We can't control whether Riley makes the team, but what can we control?
Well, Riley has a Spanish test tomorrow. We need to study.
Oh, you're right. We totally...
Olvidamos.
What's that mean?
Forgot.
Nice
Oh, thanks, guys.